back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely amazing day. I am super excited. We have a new subscription to unbox. I'm going to review it and share it with you guys. I am excited because it is a chocolate subscription. Who does not love chocolate? Especially handmade, amazing chocolate. Am I right? So, thank you guys so much for being here. I'm so glad to have you. We do have our 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on. It does end in just a few days, so if you have not already, please make sure to enter. And if you are new, we would love to have you as part of our YouTube family, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you enter our contest. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get to the subscription. I am so excited. It is for Jackie's Chocolates. And this was very kindly sent to me for review and to share with you guys. So I am so excited to have this opportunity. What I'm going to do is give you a little bit of information about Jackie's Chocolate, and then we'll take a look in here and see what kind of stuff we got. This is definitely, I'm thinking, probably something that I might end up hiding from my son and my husband, and maybe have a chick flick or something, you know, movie night to myself and enjoy a couple of pieces of chocolate. So I may share, I don't know, we'll see. It's chocolate, I don't know. So they have 3 different subscription plans. They have a little taste, which is generally about 1/4 pound of chocolate, or approximately about 7 to 8 pieces. That is $9.95. Then they have the Let's Indulge, which is their middle package or subscription. It usually has about 1/2 pound of chocolate, or about 15 chocolates included in it, and it is $19.95. And then their large one is called Enough to Share. It is 1 pound and includes around 30 chocolates, and it is $39.95. So there are definitely different options. You do also, excuse me, have the option to pay for an annual membership, which would be significantly discounted, so it would actually lower, you know, per month the cost of the box. And I have a coupon code for you guys, so you can actually use this towards your subscription, or you could also use this towards an annual subscription. And with this code, if you went with a little taste, the small, you get, like I said, about 7 to 8 chocolates. That is $9.95. With the coupon code, you could get it for like $7.50 a month. They do charge shipping, and it does range based on the size of the box that you order. I believe it starts at $4.95 and goes up to $9.95. But the really awesome thing, and we'll see when I open the box, is first of all, they do 2-day shipping so that your chocolate is fresh, which is amazing. And they include, it's kind of in like a thermal package, from my understanding, inside the box, and they include a couple of cool packs, like the freezy packs. Again, we'll see when I open, but that way it ensures that your chocolate does not melt. I live in North Carolina. Yes, it is the end of September, however, it is still very hot. I was running errands today and my car said 91, so, you know, it definitely is an awesome thing that they do by adding that in there to ensure that the chocolates arrive fresh, quickly, by 2 days, and, you know, still intact and not all melted. So that is awesome. Another couple of bits of information I did want to give you guys, and I really think this is awesome. You have the choice to pick white chocolate, caramels. You know, you can pick kind of what you want, if, you know, and they have the option, you know, if you're allergic to peanuts, or any type of, if you have any type of nut allergy, you can let them know, and then they won't send chocolates that have nuts in them. So you definitely have very many ways to customize this. Again, there's the 3 different levels, and like I said, I've got a coupon code for you guys. I need to tell you, it is fall20 and it will get you 20% off. I will make sure to link it as well as their website down below for you guys so you can head on over and sign up and get yourself a wonderful box of chocolate. So I'm super excited. Like I said, this I think is just so unique in that it is like artisan type candy or chocolates, and it's not something you're gonna go to your local grocery store and find. So having it come to you, or you know, if you send it as a gift, it's just amazing. And I am sure that they taste just as amazing, but we're gonna find out. So again, Jackie's Chocolates, beautiful purple box, and I had it backwards, still on this side. So we are going to open it. Right. And that's the insulated bag. Okay. And there is a card, so let's take a look at that. Oh, okay. So this is Jackie. How beautiful. She's gorgeous. Okay. A visit from Grandma Jackie always meant 3 things: a warm hug, stories about Lake Nebagamon. I'm sorry, I probably said that so wrong. And a batch of her old-fashioned handmade chocolates. Stubborn and wise, Jackie never swayed from using the freshest and purest ingredients in her chocolate. We're proud to keep Jackie's tradition alive and happy to share her gift with you. So, you guys, first of all, I think that is amazing. And I love the stubborn and wise reference. My grandmother's name, as it was Jackie as well. It was Jacqueline, but she went by Jackie. So there's an extra little connection for me. That's really awesome. And she was very stubborn and very wise. It says each month we'll prepare for you a themed curated box. This month's theme is Jackie's favorite. All right, I'm not going to go any further because it tells a little bit about the flavors. And then it just says, if you find yourself craving more or need gift ideas, visit us online at jackieschocolate.com. So, like I said, I will put the link for their website down below as well as the coupon code. Again, it is fall20 to get you 20% off. Otherwise, let's dive in. Yay. Oh, there's something. Oh, okay. This is cute. Underneath, there's a little sticker and a little pin. How cute is that? That is cute that they added that. All right, and this I do know is the, this is the Let's Indulge, so the middle, the half pound or about 15 chocolates. So this will be the $19.95 option. Oh, that is so cute and gorgeous. Okay, and then yeah, there are 2 of these little gel cool packs in here. So inside the insulated bag were these, 1 on each side of the box of chocolates. But let's get to what really matters. How gorgeous, you guys. Look. It's so cute. We've got the sticker. So I'm gonna cut. I say I am. There we go. So we can get in here. Goodness. Okay, there we go. All right. So when we open it up, they do have the plastic on top. Oh my gosh, you guys. Are you kidding me right now? Like, can we say gorgeous? Can you guys see these candies? Look, there's fall leaves. Oh my goodness. These are so beautiful. Oh. I'm trying to count how many there are because it says about 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 17. But how gorgeous. I want you guys to see this because these are just beautiful chocolates. Like, these are almost too pretty to eat. Oh, I was gonna try one on camera, but now I'm like, I don't wanna. They are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna try one. And I'm gonna go with this little guy right here. Just because it's simple. Because the gorgeous, I can't wait to show my husband, even though I'm gonna have to share if I show him, but I want him to see how gorgeous these are. So we're gonna try one. You guys. With peanut butter. I'm not even gonna compare it to the R peanut butter cups. This is without a doubt 1,000%. I don't know if 100 and 1,000. 1,100, 1,100%. The best peanut butter and chocolate combination I've ever put in my mouth. It is so good. Like, I just can't, you guys. Oh my gosh. The peanut butter is super, super creamy. And you really taste the peanut butter, but you also really, really taste the chocolate. And that chocolate is definitely not like any chocolate I have ever had before. It just is on a whole nother level. It is soft and melty and just the flavor is amazing. If I decide to share with my husband, he's going to be upset because he likes peanut butter and chocolate, and I didn't know that that's what that one is. But that was by far, like I said, the best peanut butter and chocolate combination that I've ever put into my mouth. It was amazing. So, we're going to take a second here. I have chocolate on my finger. Chocolate everywhere. One more look at just how absolutely gorgeous these chocolates are. So make sure you head on over to Jackie'sChocolate.com and sign up. If you love chocolate and you want to treat yourself or you need a gift idea, I can tell you right now, you would be like the best friend ever. Best sister, boyfriend, whatever the case may be. And don't forget to use the code, my code FALL20 to get yourself 20% off of your subscription. You can also, they do also, I want to say, I believe you can actually just go online and buy, candy and chocolate from them. It doesn't have to be the subscription. I highly recommend the subscription because who would not love getting something like that every month? They are gorgeous. I just can't get over how beautiful they are. And then on top of that, you add how absolutely amazing the candy, the chocolate is. It's just a win-win all around. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, the website link will be below as well as the coupon code. And I will talk with you guys next time. And I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye.